Are you a lender looking to expand into new markets but hesitant to offer smaller ticket credit due to repayment risks? For many micro and small enterprises, or MSEs, traditional financial services provider loans often require significant collateral. This can be a major hurdle, stifling innovation and growth. That's where CGTMSE, the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, steps in. Established by the Government of India and SIDBI, its core mission is simple yet powerful: to ensure that promising business ideas don't get stuck due to lack of security. So, what exactly is a credit guarantee? Imagine it as a protective shield. When a financial services provider lends to an eligible MSE, CGTMSE provides a guarantee to the financial service provider. This guarantee covers a significant portion of the loan amount, reducing the financial service provider's risk and enabling collateral-free credit to MSE. Here's how it works. An entrepreneur approaches a financial service provider for a business loan. Instead of demanding traditional collateral, the financial service provider evaluates the project's viability. If approved, the financial service provider applies to CGTMSE for a guarantee. Once approved, the loan is disbursed to the entrepreneur. With CGTMSE acting as the safety net for the financial service provider, CGTMSE supports a wide range of micro and small enterprises. This includes new and existing businesses in manufacturing, retail trade, and service sectors. Special emphasis is often placed on supporting women entrepreneurs and first-time borrowers, ensuring inclusive growth. For borrowers, the benefits are immense: access to much-needed credit without pledging assets, often a smoother and faster loan approval process, and ultimately, the ability to grow, innovate, and create jobs. And for lending institutions like financial service providers, CGTMSE is also a win-win. It significantly reduces their credit risk, encouraging them to lend more to micro and small enterprises. It opens up a vast new customer base of credit-worthy entrepreneurs and allows them to contribute directly to the nation's economic growth and financial inclusion. CGTMSE is a cornerstone of India's entrepreneurial ecosystem. It's about turning potential into prosperity, one business at a time. To learn more and see how CGTMSE can help your business or your lending institution, visit our website at www.cgtmse.in. CGTMSE, empowering dreams, securing futures.